Good afternoon, students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all doing? Fine, good, nice, thank you. Yes. So, welcome to Infinity Learn NEET STEP UP program 2025. So, how you are going to do with this NEET examination that to be held on 2025? Right. So, I just want to start today's topic of interest is ionic equilibrium. Before going for the ionic equilibrium, a short recapture about our results and all, and what Infinity Learn is doing for the students who are preparing for NEET examination. Just a short recapture here. You can see there are 4 students. Just an example, Ashrita, Akhil Verma and Himadyuti and Satyanarayan, and they secured very less marks in 2023 examinations, and after pursuing some courses from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya, and they secured, just see, Ashrita, she got 661 marks. Just see, amazingly 350 marks. There is a huge increment. And also you can see Akhil Verma, he got 658. There is a 345 marks increment. And you can see Himadyuti, it was 310 in 2023 exam. My dear students, she secured 652 marks in 342 and in 2024. And Satyanarayanan just secured 330 marks in 2023 examination and 650 marks in 2024 examination. There is a huge increment of 320 marks. And not only these 4 students, but also hundreds of students after taking the various courses from Infinity Learn, and you will be the next in 2025 examination. Can you believe it? Yes. What are the salient features that we are going to offer? I am going to tell you how to do these kind of things, right? And you can just go through a page where our session is going on. Yes, this is your YouTube channel that my session is going on there, right? Yes, this is my session. In this live session, when the live session is going on, you can see in this live session, you can see there is a description waiting here, and click on more, and in that you can see boost your NEET score with Infinity Learn and enroll now. That is the first course that is visualized, and you can click it on, and when you click it on, you will be directed to a page where Infinity Learn, a program is NEET 2025 with a special NCERT based courses for droppers or semi-droppers. My dear students, you please be interactive in the chat box so that we can know the either way transactions. And there are so many course curriculums. What are the key features that we can say? Comprehensive video lectures, and also personalized learning experience, and detailed study materials, and performance benchmarking, and national level mock test, and targeted practice questions, unlimited practice tests, expert doubt resolution, efficient revision tools. And who is going to give these many salient features in edutech industries in India? Only Infinity Learn can give. And you can just compare, and you can enroll any of the course of interest that are available. Dear students, here the most recommended course that is there, which was 15,000 and become 9,000, and you can NEET 2025 repeat self-study online program with all kinds of features, and you can simply click buy now. Then is say आपका 9,000 is showing now, and you can just enter your mobile number, and you can register your, and you can go to the payment gateway. There you can see in the payment gateway, I just request you to use this coupon code. By using this coupon code Suresh50, you will be getting 20% discount from 9,000 rupees. So you will be getting only 7,500 rupees, and you can really enjoy the course with a seat guarantee program that you can say. Okay, while late, you can all ready to join in that session, right? So it is there in the description box, first link under the description box, you can go through it. Got it? That's good. And who are the students for the day? Good. Shilpa Pandey is there. Abhinav is there. Okay. So I praise really the students who are really working right from the day one of inception of NEET STEP UP 2025 program on the YouTube platform. There are so many students in this platform and regularly attending and pursuing the course, and really they are going to get the seat with a very good seat, right? And really appreciate your efforts. And whatever we teach here with the various eminent professors are there, along with me, Suresh, chemistry faculty, and teaching everyday chemistry in Infinity Learn Studio on YouTube platform every day 1:30 to 3 o'clock. You do join without fail, and you like the sessions, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Right, beta? That's good. Why late? We are going to see the today's topic of interest. What you learn in this particular concept, ionic equilibrium, and that is acid-base series, and pH calculations, and buffers, and salt hydrolysis, and solubility equilibria, and many more. And we completed this, and we need to talk about pH calculations and buffers in today's class of interest. Okay. Do you have any doubts as far as the previous class is concerned, you just reciprocate to us so that we start with the class with the date. Any doubt? Any doubt, my dear students? Okay, just a minute. Now, in this scenario, dear children, we will discuss about acidity and the pH scale. So, we discussed about ionic product constant of water. Ionic product constant of water is equal to K, it is nothing but Kw is equal to the product of H plus concentration and OH minus ion concentration, that is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square. This is valid only at 25 degrees centigrade. Yes, from their extension, water being a neutral, H plus concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. But if an acidic solution, H plus concentration is more than OH minus ion concentration. For the basic solution, OH minus ion concentration is more than H plus ion concentration. So, to say the acidity, we need to have a scale, or basicity, we need to have a scale, that what you call a pH scale, that is given by Sorensen. pH scale was introduced by Sorensen, and we are going to discuss the details about acidic strength. Means the tendency of an acid to give H plus. So, a strong acid, wherever H plus is there, you can also say it is H3O plus hydronium ion, because H plus ions in the water, it is hydrated. So, the acid which has more tendency to give more H plus, so that it's strong acid, and a less tendency to give H plus is a weak acid. And basic strength means the tendency to give the OH minus ion. The great strong acid is going to give strong OH minus ions. So, strong tendency to give OH minus ions. So, pH is nothing but pH is equal to negative logarithm AH plus, where AH is the activity of H plus. Okay. And in that, activity of H plus should be taken in the negative logarithm to the base 10. Okay. And for a dilute solution, the pH scale was marked from 0 to 4, where the central point is 7. If the pH is 7, it is a neutral. If pH is less than 7, it is acidic. pH is more than 7, it is basic. In this scenario, you can say pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus. So, let us say mathematically Px is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of X activity. Okay, it could be anything. pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration, power of hydronium ion concentration, POH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration, or it could be anything. pKa is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of Ka, and Ka and Kb are explained in the previous class, my dear students. Here Ka is acid dissociation constant and Kb is the base dissociation constant. Now in today's class I am going to present you guys how to calculate the pH of various individuals. You need to understand. So it could be a strong acid, or it could be a strong base, or it could be a weak acid, or it could be a weak base, or it could be a mixture of strong acids, or it could be a mixture of strong bases, or a mixture of strong acid and a strong base. Like that, when the question is given in the NEET examination, dear students, you need to understand what exactly is there in a solution as far as the question is concerned. Are you getting or not? You need to identify. And in today's class, believe it or not, I am going to give you the total hierarchy of how to calculate pH, right? So simple and simplified version of this, right? Got it? So who are the students? Give a thumbs up and fire emoji in the chat box. Fatafat. Fatafat. Okay. Now let's go ahead with this. pH can be given as positive logarithm to the base 10 of 1 by H plus concentration, or pH is going to be also negative logarithm to the base 10 of H3O plus, but we use most of the cases in this way in conventional, and this and this and these three are same. Amit, good afternoon. Okay, so please be interactive in this YouTube platform, because this is not a radio session, right? So you can talk to me, I can talk to you. Got it? Clear? That's good. Now Amit, continue. Now pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus, that is the formula. Similarly, POH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. Wherever I am making a box, that is your a formula. You have to maintain a cheat sheet, and before examination you all just work on this cheat sheet before examination. Just before entering into the examination hall, you just make a sheet, and you can just read and have a snapshot in your mind, and you can go into the examination. In physical chemistry, you please maintain that. Amit, is that fine? And also we know that Kw is equal to H plus and OH minus, no? And take the negative logarithm. So what happened when you take the negative logarithm, my dear students? Kw become negative log Kw, H plus is equal to negative log H plus, OH minus is equal to negative log OH minus, and it is going to be 10 power minus 4, negative log to the 10 power minus 4, it is going to be Kw, that is going to be minus pKw, it is going to be 14. So it is going to be P negative logarithm OH minus is going to be pH, and negative logarithm OH minus is POH is equal to pKw. That's the formula. That's the formula. So pH plus POH is equal to pKw is equal to 14, and for aqueous solution valid only at 25 degrees centigrade. So many confusions will be there, and I am going to reveal all the confusions as far as this equilibrium is concerned. It's very simple, and you can really enjoy the question, right? Okay, Amit, next we just if the temperature and the solvent are changed, the pH changes. Yes, it is changes. Yeah, the pH range of the scale will also change. That is an outstanding statement. So you say pH scale 0 to 14, so 7 is neutral, so 1 to 7, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 acidic, 8 9 10 11 is basic. It is only at 25 degrees centigrade. I want to say 0 to 7 to 14. In this scale, this is a neutral, and from here to here it is a basic, from here to here it is acidic. Everybody tuned with this, right? But one thing I want to say, Amit, it is only valid at 25 degrees centigrade. If 25 degrees centigrade is changed, this value is changed. Why? Because Can you say, Amit, why it is changing? As temperature changes, it is going to change Kw value. As temperature increases, Kw value increases. As temperature decreases, Kw decreases. That is all a simple thing you need to know to verify the pH with respect to the temperature. That's very important. And I just want to say, for example, 0 to 14 degrees at 25 degrees centigrade, neutral point is 7. When the temperature 0 to 13 is at 18, so experimentally determined, I'll tell you, neutral point pH is equal to 16. So I want to say, as temperature increases, pH decreases. Got it? Simple, no? And also pH scale can be negative or greater than 14 also. It is a defect. It is a defect in pH scale, drawback in the pH scale. But हमेशा ये pH आपका परेशान नहीं करते, and entire chemistry uses pH scale to scale it, to measure acidity or the base acidity. ठीक है? Right. Now let's talk about a question and a generalized concept. pH is equal to negative logarithm H plus. Yes, it is. And pOH is equal to negative logarithm OH minus, should be equal to 11 for water at 25 degrees centigrade. That is experimentally verified. Yes, at high temperature dissociation of H plus increases, so that pH decreases, and I appreciate your statement and it is correct, Amit. So I just want to have a kind of interaction, and I know, Amit, you always focus with the positive note when the class is going on. Lage raho beta. And pH is equal to 7 is equal to pOH, then it is said to be neutral, and is only 25 degrees centigrade. This statement is valid. And pH is less than 7 or pOH greater than 7 is acidic at 25 degrees centigrade. pH is greater than 7 or pOH is less than 7, that is solution is said to be basic, provided that it is 25 degrees centigrade. Yes, very good, nice. And also you can say pH is equal to negative log H plus. Can also say pH is equal to positive log 1 by H plus, my dear students. Yes, that's good, beta. So you can also say negative log hydronium ion concentration. And also pOH is equal to negative log OH minus, और pH is equal to log 1 by OH minus. आपका जैसे H plus है ऐसे OH minus आयन आना पड़ता है. Got it? That's good. And Kw आपका मान था, Kw is equal to H plus dot OH minus ion concentration, and it is equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 14 mole square per liter square or molar square, only at 25 degrees centigrade. And taking negative logarithm on the both sides, we already seen negative log minus negative log H plus minus negative log OH minus is equal to negative log 10 power minus 14. That gives you negative log Kw is equal to 14. So I just want to say pH plus pOH is equal to pKw is equal to 14 for an aqueous solution valid only at 25 degrees centigrade. Amit, that's very important. Okay, and also pH calculations of different types of solutions, various types of solutions, and everybody get ready with pen and paper and write all the formulas with explanation. So simply disclosing the formula and reading the formula doesn't give you a strength. I am going to tell you how to do that. Okay, for a strong acid क्या करते हैं बेटा बोलो? Strong acid क्या करते हैं अमित? Dissociate completely. Okay, इसका जो H plus ion concentration आता है is equal to normality of the acid. बस कैसे निकालना है नॉर्मलिटी? नॉर्मलिटी इज इक्वल टू मोलारिटी इंटू n फैक्टर. व्हाट इज n फैक्टर बेटा? n फैक्टर अमित, n फैक्टर क्या होगा? यस, इट इज गोइंग टू बी number basicity of an acid, number of H plus ions that are released by 1 mole of the acid is ionized, right? Now, so if H plus ion from the strong acid is greater than 10 power minus 6 molar, and this case H plus ion coming from the water can be neglected. Array, when you dissolve HCl in the water, so H plus is given by the HCl only, but water is also giving H plus and OH minus. Na? So, do we have to consider the H plus is given by the acid is considerable or not? Yes. If the concentration is 10 power 6 minus 6 से ज़्यादा हो, ionization of the water ignore कर सकते, ये खास point है. This is very, very important. And also, second point I just want to say, in this case, so H plus ion concentration is equal to molarity of the strong acid into number of H plus ions. Just I want to say normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Yes, Amit? Correct. And also, if H plus ion from the strong acid is less than 10 power minus 6, मान लो 10 power minus 8 molar HCl का pH कितना होगा? That is a famous question from any other commercial textbook that are preparing for IIT or NEET examination. So, इसी से कम होगा तो आप ionization of water भी consider करना पड़ते हैं, करना है? Yes, करेंगे. So, in this case, H plus coming from the water cannot be ignored, neglected. Yes, 6.8. Okay, 6.8 आ रहे हैं, क्यों? हाँ, yes, 6.89 और 6.9 आसपास पे मिलेगा. अमित, you are so pro in calculation. Okay, good. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Very good. Now, or I find the pH of 10 power minus 3 molar HNO3 solution, and solution. Let us not discuss about the solution. This is the question now. I just want to say a trick. सुरेश सर क्लास में हमेशा एक ट्रिक है. So let H plus ion concentration is equal to A into 10 power minus B, then pH is equal to negative log H plus, I mean to say pH is equal to B minus log A. Use this. So I can solve this. I can solve this directly here. You can see 10 power minus 3 molar HCl solution. So H plus ion constant HNO3 is going to give rise H plus and NO3 minus. So H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus the giya na. You can write 1 into 10 power minus 3. Yes, it is correct. Very good. And pH is equal to 3 minus log 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Okay. Also, you can say log to the base 10 of 1 is equal to 0. Log to the base 10 of 2 is equal to 0.3020. Log to the base 10 of 3 is equal to 0.47. Log to the base 10 of 4 is equal to 0.6. Log to the base 10 of log to the base 10 of 5 is equal to 0.699, you can say 0.7. So these are the values, just keep it in your mind. Actually, whenever logarithm values or anti-logarithm values are required, a क्वेश्चन में खुद दिया जाएगा बेटा, कोई परेशान नहीं है आपका जो है. सो लॉग ये that formulas I am going to discuss when the situation comes, because I don't want to take a mathematics class. And 10 power minus 4 molar H2SO4, that is going to give normality is equal to molarity into n factor. I just want to say normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Molarity is given 10 power minus 4. 1 into 10 power minus 4 into n factor is 2. 2 into 10 power minus 4 है ना, that is the normality beta. So pH is equal to negative log 2 into 10 power minus 4. So you can say 4 minus log 2. Are you getting on? 4 minus log 2 is equal to 0.3. Amit, correct? So 0.3. So 3.7. Are 5 minutes ago 3.7 is given by Amit. Claps. Tali hai na? That's good. So this is the way you need to solve it. Got it? So don't go in your own way. Go in a tricky way, right, beta? Arpit Pandey, B is 3.7. आपका आगे आप क्वेश्चन दे सकता? देना है? Yes. Let us say finding the pH of the strong acids का है. अभी strong base का निकालने का कोशिश करता हूँ. Now I just want to say calculate the pH of 10 power minus 8 molar HCl solution at 25 degrees centigrade, taking the log of 1.05 is 0.02. You can solve this by simple method, also scientifically quadratic equation method. Here HCl concentration is 10 power minus 8, which is less than 10 power minus 6. So that we have to consider H plus, which is coming from the water, has also to be calculated. When you want to calculate a pH directly by taking this, pH is going to be 8. अरे pH 8 कैसा हो सकते हैं? नहीं है. So that you need to take the ionization concentration of H plus ions from the water also. So sum of the H plus ion concentration by HCl and also from water you need to calculate. Let us do it. So H plus is coming from water is not equal to 10 power minus 7 because the common ion effect exert it on by H plus ions of the H plus HCl, right? Yes, a wonderful statement. So what is common ion effect? Common ion effect is an effect where ionization of weak electrolyte is diminished by presence of any one of the common ions present in it. That is what you call it as common ion effect. So a weak electrolyte, उसमें कुछ strong electrolyte डालो, so जिसमें एक common ion रहना चाहिए, so weak electrolyte का ionization आगे बढ़ना मुश्किल होता है. That is what you call it as a common ion effect. And you can say, considering the dissociation of water, we can say H2O takes H plus and OH minus, and also you can take and KWH plus OH minus plus X, and X क्या होगा? This X you need to solve it. KW 10 power minus 14, जब तक temperature 25 है तब तक ये 10 power minus 14 is stable. So we can take the X value as X of X plus 10 power minus 8. So 10 power minus 8 कहाँ से निकला? ये वाला 10 power minus 8 है. So that X square plus X into 10 power minus 8 है, minus 10 power minus 4 is equal to 0. Now ये quadratic equation का आप बदल सकते, X is equal to minus 10 power minus 8. Oh, so has. So has. Now that is equal to root over 10 power minus 6 plus 4 into 10 power minus 14 by 2. On solving, you are going to get H plus as 10.5 into 10 power minus 8 or 1.05 into 10 power minus 7. वही इतना आता है. So that pH is equal to 7 minus log 0.05, 1.05 का दे दिया. So 7 minus 1.05 का लॉगरिथम निकालने के बाद 0.02 है. Okay, now ये value is 6.98. What do you want to say? What is Suhas? What you want to say? I don't understand, my dear. Can you please be elaborate? अगर आपका doubt ये genuine है, आता है? Yes. Amit, do you understand this problem? Yes. एक thumbs up दे Amit. Okay. Now this is 6.98. I just want to say whenever the base, whenever the acid comes 10 power minus 8 molar, it is going to be pH 6.98, and the base concentration is mono strong base like sodium hydroxide. If it is 10 power minus 8 molar, its pH is going to be 7.01, something like that. Okay. Now, Amit, come on. So, for a strong base solution, ion concentration is equal to molarity of the base by n factor. N factor क्या होगा उसमें? जल्दी बताओ. Acidity of base. Amit. Okay. Suhas. Ready there? Yes. Okay. So, in this case, whenever 10 power minus 6 से OH minus ion concentration कम आता है, that is called acidity. Perfect. So, उसमें कम आएगा. So, what you need to consider, H plus ion concentration is equal to H plus ion, OH minus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration provided the base, okay, plus OH minus ion concentration provided by the water. That's very important. That's very important. Yes. Jayavanti. Yes. One more example. What will be the pH of? What will be the pH of 5 into 10 power minus 6 molar barium hydroxide solution at 25 degrees centigrade? Amit and Suhas and Jayavati. Come on, Arpit Pandey, who is going to give the answer? Perfect answer, correct answer. Jaldi se jaldi, fatafat, chat box mein dala. Come on. It is 9, okay. Okay. Amit, that's good. So, here I just want to say, I am going to solve this in a printed format, but barium hydroxide, it is going to give rise barium 2 plus and OH minus, 2 OH minus, so that pH is OH minus ion concentration is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 6 into 2. You can say 10 into 10 power minus 6. So, you can take POH, that is negative log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration 5 into 10 power minus 6 into 2, and जब आपका POH आता है ना, and pH plus POH is equal to 14 and pH is equal to 14 minus, that is going to be 14 minus POH. Are you getting or not? Clear? Now, that's what I want to say. OH minus ion from strong base is equal to 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 6. So, 10 into 10 power minus 6. So, 10 into 10 power minus 6 is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 5. So, pH is equal to 14 in minus POH. So, 14 minus log OH minus, that is 10 power minus 5 is equal to 5. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So, Amit, he is given 9 and the answer is going to be absolutely appreciated. Any doubt as far as this particular question is concerned? So, when you want to calculate pH of an acid, directly you can calculate pH. When you want to calculate pH of a base, you have to calculate POH and 14 से आप subtract करना है, करेंगे. Okay, very good. Now, let's talk. Calculate the pH of 10 power minus 7 molar sodium hydroxide solution at 25 degrees centigrade. And 10 power minus 7 इससे कम है ना? You have to calculate by taking the sum of the OH minus ions from the water as well as the, yes, what's your answer there? Amit, come on. So, you have to calculate OH ion minus ion concentration from water as well as sodium hydroxide. Okay. So, when you do so, you are going to say that is going to be OH minus ion concentration from the water is going to be X plus 10 power minus ion, and Kw is equal to H plus OH minus ion is equal to 10 power minus 14. From there, X of X plus 10 power minus 7, it gives you X square plus 10 power minus 7 X minus 10 power minus 4 is equal to 0. On solving, x is आपको मिलेगा, that is 0.618 into 10 power minus 7. Yes, it is going to be, pH is going to be, इससे pH निकालना 7 minus log 0.618 and it is going to be 7.2. Amit, absolutely correct. आप लगे रहो आज के लिए, है ना? Okay. Now let us see some more, one more question. So pH of acids and bases, आज देखना है mixture का है, mixture of two strong acids. अगर mixture of two strong acids, इसका let an acid molarity is M1 and its normality is N1 and another acid normality is N2. I just want to say this is N1 and V1 and this is another acid, that is N2 and V2 and these two mixed. So that is going to be the mixture. So how do you calculate normality of the mixture? Normality of the mixture is equal to total H plus ion concentration is equal to N1 plus N1 V1 N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Are you getting or not? Clear? जिसकी नॉर्मलिटी ज़्यादा हो वो ज़्यादा लेते हैं. In this case, this is not required condition. Amit, it's pretty good doubt. Why? Because you are mixing acids ना. आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना, ये एसिड एंड बेस ये दोनों का मिक्सचर जब आपका स्टेटमेंट सही होगा. Clear? Now in this case no need to compare, just mix it and sum it. Got it? So that is what I want to say. H1 V1 H2 V2 upon V1 plus V2, better use this, right? Clear beta? Fine. And this formulas that I am making is very, very important. Yes, it is acid base mixture it was. Acid base mixture it was. Okay. Now mixture of two strong bases वही है. Okay. Let us say this is N1 and V1 mixed with N2 and V2 and you got a mixture. What happened? So OH minus ion concentration is equal to normality of the mixture is equal to फिर भी N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. This is the formula. अगर आप OH माइनस आयन से पहले POH निकालो, वो POH से pH निकाल सकते है ना बेटा? Okay. Now, Jaivat, Amit, Suhas in acid-base mixture. Right? Come on. Next. Mixture of strong acid and a strong base. Right. That's very, very important. That's very simple. I want to say, let an acid, this is your acid. मान लो normality of the acid is Na, volume of the acid is Va, and is mixed with a base, a strong base beta, that is Nb and this is Vb. Now a mixture बढ़ गया. So we have to calculate NaVa and N2B. So in this case there are two causes. अगर normality of the acid, volume of the acid is greater than normality of the base and volume of the base, or normality of the base, volume of the base is greater than normality of the acid, volume of the base. यही कंडीशन है. ये कंडीशन में सॉल्यूशन एसिडिक बनेगा, ये कंडीशन में सॉल्यूशन बेसिक बनेगा. ठीक है बेटा? दैट इज द सिंपलेस्ट सिनारियो. अगर एसिडिक होगा सो H+ आयन निकालने का कोशिश करो. जब बेसिक होगा OH- आयन निकालने का कोशिश करो. अरे H+ आयन कैसे निकाल सकते? कौन जीतेगा? एसिड जीतेगा. सो दैट NaVA माइनस NbVb अपॉन Va प्लस Vb. ये गोल्डन फॉर्मूला है. गोल्डन फॉर्मूला, गोल्ड का मतलब है सोना. रख, छुपा के रखना है क्या? इस्तेमाल करो. यस इट इज गुड. अमित OH- आयन निकाल सकते हैं. NbVb माइनस NaVA अपॉन Va प्लस Vb. Now that is the same description it is given, and you can take it as a printed copy, and you all just join in the Telegram channel. सारे के सारे notes आपके सामने PDF format में निकलेगा. Any doubt? So it is an acid base का mixture है. ये acid base mixture हमेशा ये ऐसा कर सकते हैं. Are you getting or not? Clear? Fine? Any doubt? ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस डू 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चंस करना. अरे कैलकुलेट द pH ऑफ 10⁻⁻1 molar acetic acid, 10⁻³ molar acetic acid, 10⁻⁻6 molar acetic acid. When our acetic acid is coming, I am going to solve this. So weak acids and weak base solution. Okay, so I'll go back to the question once again. Okay, what I mean to say here, weak base or monoacidic solution, you have to calculate POH is equal to half pKb minus log C. If alpha is very less 10%, then the pH is equal to 14 minus POH. So similarly you can say, yesterday we were talking about a weak acid CH3COOH. On ionization it is going to get CH3COO minus and H plus. Now I just want to say C0 0 C minus C alpha. Alpha क्या होता है अमित? Alpha क्या होता है? Degree of ionization. Okay, C alpha and C alpha. So on solving Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Similarly, you can also say Ka is nearly equal to C alpha square, C alpha square. Okay, and alpha from here H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha, है ना? Or you can say C dot C alpha square. Okay, है ना? Okay. You can say alpha is equal to Ka is equal to C alpha square, and alpha is equal to root Ka by C. From there you can calculate the pH of this directly from this of pKa minus log C. Okay, so pKa minus log C. So Ka is acid dissociation constant, Kb is base dissociation constant. For weak acids and weak bases, from any direction you can calculate the pH values, but it's not like as simple as it is for a strong acid or a strong base. Okay. Now, what is the pH of 0.01 molar aqueous solution of HCl at 25 degrees centigrade? Amit, come on. Come on, Amit. Answer. By looking at this I can say. By looking at this I can say. That's wonderful. You can say since HCl is completely ionized acid, it would ionize, and H3O plus HCl is perfectly gives rise H plus and Cl minus, so that H3O plus concentration is going to be 0.01. When you want to say 0.01, it is going to be 1 into 10 power minus 2. So the pH is equal to negative log 1 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, so pH is equal to 2 minus log 1, pH is equal to 2. Got it? Simple, huh? That's good. Very nice. And or a question. And who is going to solve for this? Who is going to solve for this? (0.010 molar सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. अरे और दोस्त लोग है क्लास में छुपा के बैठ रहे हैं. I can see all the students from my other side. You can't see. It is said to be 12. That's good. And it is going to be, and solution sodium hydroxide is strong base is fully ionized. So I just want to say this is a way, another one way. So sodium hydroxide and is going to give rise sodium plus and OH minus, है ना. So OH minus ion concentration आपका जितना NaOH concentration है 0.01, so that I can say 1 into 10 power minus 2. पहले आप OH minus निकालना, POH is equal to negative log 1 into 10 power minus 2, so that it is equal to 2 minus log 1. So 2 minus log 1 is equal to 0. आपका POH is equal to 2. We know that pH plus POH is equal to 14, and pH is equal to 14 minus POH, that is equal to 14 minus POH is equal to 2. Are 14 to minus is going to say pH is equal to 12. Arey, I took this much long and Amit said simply, कमाल किया तू. Okay, और क्या? The pH of a sample of rainwater is at 25 degrees centigrade is 5. What is the concentration of hydronium ion concentration? अभी करके दिखाओ. So H plus दिया गया, pH निकला, एंड pH दिया जाएगा भी ये क्वेश्चन में. आप H प्लस निकालना है बेटा. निकाल सकते हैं? हाँ निकाल सकते हैं. So pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus pH. 10 power minus pH. Similarly, POH, right? So कितना आ रहे हैं? pH कितना दिया? Is equal to 5. Okay. POH, what is the concentration of hydronium ion? Hydronium ion कर सकते हैं. Okay. So that H plus concentration is equal to 10 power minus 5. वो भी निकाल सकते हैं. ये सही है? Okay, now you can say that's what I just simple trick. लेकिन ये units कमाल कर सकते हैं, because स्टैंडर्ड इंटरनेशनल यूनिट्स में ये आंसर दिया है नहीं. जैक स्पैरो, आई मिस यू. नवेडेस, आई मिस यू. ओके, हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू जैक स्पैरो? या इट्स मोल पर लीटर. 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube. Yes, you are on fire. Oh, आग लग रहे हैं. Very good, nice. So in the SI units, the answers are going to be given. You just enjoy and just identify. When you solve it, the answers are coming on your paper like that. But when you see, you are going to see in the SI units also what? So I can understand Jack Sparrow, it's too hot these days. Yes, yes, very good. Here it's a combination of climatic changes. So first round of monsoon is completed and we are entering into the second round of the monsoon. Beach mein kuch garmi and humid temperatures you can expect it. Yeah. Next one more question. Tayar hai? Calculate the pH of 0.1 molar aqueous solution of acetic acid. A dissociation constant diya and alpha is going to give in Jack Sparrow. Really? Oh, okay, very good. Thank you, I can understand. Taj, is that? Okay, come on. Who is going to give? Amit, expected an answer. Calculate the pH of 0.1 molar aqueous solution of acetic acid. The dissociation constant K is 1.87. 85 into 10 power minus 5. Alpha is equal to 0.013. Jack Sparrow, Taj, can you solve it or you want me to solve? Now here you can see acetic acid is going to ionize into acetate ion and H+. So when you talk about this is going to be C 0 and 0 when the time is going to be 0. When the time reaches to equilibrium, it is going to be C minus C alpha and C alpha and C alpha. है ना? It is C stands for the concentration. This is your C value. And alpha value is given, H plus ion concentration is going to be C alpha. From there you can take negative logarithm and you are going to get H3O plus concentration is going to be C alpha. So C alpha, H3O plus concentration is equal to C alpha. C is 0.1, alpha is equal to 0.0134. So that you are going to be 0.0134. Clear? And he got it. Very good. From there 0.0134 you can take a negative logarithm for that and you are going to get 0.0134 can be written as 1.34 into 10 power minus 3. So that you can say you can say 3 minus log 1.34. So that is log 1.34 is going to be 2. So from here 3 minus 1.34 means it is log 2 से कम आना है. So log 2 is 0.3. So उसी से कम निकालना है. So it is going to be 2.87 is the answer. Jack Sparrow, yes it is. 2.69, the 2.87 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's do one more question, and this method is very, very important and interesting as well. Enjoyed? Jack Sparrow, enjoyed? Amit, fine? That's good. Nice. Let's do buffer solution. आज के लिए और थोड़ा सा I just want to just explain you something after this. एक minute. Now just simple summary here. pH calculation. I just want to say always prefer normality for strong acid. H plus ion concentration is equal to normality of acid. strong base H plus ion concentration is equal, OH minus ion concentration is equal to normality of a base, but we know that pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. These are all the formulas. How to calculate? Jack Sparrow. So solution whose pH doesn't change on the addition of acid and base is called buffer solution. It's correct, appreciated. It's correct and appreciated. And how do you calculate the pH? pH is going to be directly related to minus logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration, or similarly pOH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration, and also pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Okay, so also we can say pKa plus pKb is equal to pKw. That is also, these are all the various formulas. Okay. Yes, Amesha. Okay, now I just want to say one more point. For mixture of acids, if H plus ion concentration is equal to A into 10 power minus B, then pH is equal to B minus log A. Nah. You just say only 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, beta? Now, one more point. For a mixture of a strong acid and a strong base, so strong acid mixtures, H plus ion concentration is equal to N1V1 plus N1V1 plus N2V2 upon V1 plus V2. If it is, Jack Sparrow, what do you want to say? I don't understand, and shortcut typings and all. Discuss anything which is related to academics, my dear students. Only discuss about academics. And also you can say strong base mixtures. So if that is the case, OH minus is equal to N1V1 plus N2V2 upon V1 plus V2. And also if you want to say a weak acid and a weak base, and a mixture of a strong acid and a strong base. Okay, mixture of strong acid and a strong base. There are two types. Agar NaVa is greater than NbVb, so that the resultant solution is acidic, and it is going to be NaVa minus NbVb upon Va plus Vb. अगर बेस concentration ज़्यादा हो, in that case OH minus ion concentration is equal to NbVb minus NaVa upon Va plus Vb. That is the case. Now let us focus. What about the weak acid? And the weak acid and H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha. Similarly, weak base H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha if it is a monoacidic base. Rehan Rajpura, greater than NaVa. What is greater than NaVa is greater than NbVb. Normality of an acid is volume of an acid, normality of a base, volume of a base. Now we understand, Rehan Rajpura? Okay. Now for, so alpha is equal to root Ka by C. C is the concentration, yes, C is the concentration and K is the acid dissociation constant. Here alpha is equal to Kb by C under root. Kb is the base dissociation constant and C is the acid concentration of the base. If normality of the acid is greater, so this is the formula. Normality of the base is greater, this is the formula. Are you getting or not? So mixture of weak acids. So H plus ion concentration is equal to root over Ka1 C1 plus Ka2 C2. Okay. H plus ion concentration is equal to root Ka dot C. Is that fine? So this is the total flow chart that what are the conditions. मान लो ये pH कैलकुलेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड का होगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस का होगा, and these are the formulas, and always you follow this calculation mix and strong acids mixture. Yes, Jack Sparrow, what do you want? You tell me. Strong base mixture, and if it is a mixture of strong acid and strong base, or simply one weak acid and simply one weak base, and mixture of weak acids. You just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kinds of. Students are here close, sir. I don't find they have to maintain the dignity on the YouTube platform. We are doing the best, the limited amount of time, and students are doing very good effort from there, and I don't mind if any students are mischievous. I am going to retract them, and those really doing work, I really appreciate. Amit, fine, don't focus on the other things. Rahan Rajpura, is that fine? In the mixture, 2 types are there. Rahan Rajpura, any doubts? Amit, any doubt? Yes, and that's good. And today we had a great discussion about total pH calculations, and tomorrow I am going to come up with buffers and salt hydrolysis, and also some more questions related to this current context. Hai na, Rahan Rajpura, that's good. And I request you guys, you just go through the link that is given here in the chat box. You can see this is my session that is going on, right? This is my session. In this session, on the YouTube session, there is a link, the first link, that is boost your NEET score with Infinity Learn, and just click it. Hai na? When you click it, yeah, you are going to see all the course features, and these are the YouTube sessions that we are going to take right now. Is full free of cost, but full length. If you want to enjoy the lessons, and the packages are available, and buffer solution kal ka, aaj nahi hai, duffer nahi hai, buffer, okay. And you can see, yes, you can click on the buy now, and you will be given another page where you can just go through the mobile number, enter your mobile number, enroll yourself, and once you enroll and you are asked to prompt for this course fee, and there is a 9,000 rupees fees, and if you go through, yes it is, if you go through that, Suresh 50 is the coupon code. If you enter the coupon code, 9,000 से सस्ता 7,500 का सारे के सारे कोर्स आपके सामने है. Okay, so buffer solution are those which easily change their pH, but buffer solutions do not change their pH. Amit. Okay, right. And hope today you enjoyed the session a lot, and tomorrow we are going to meet with more stuff with lot of coming sessions. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. God bless you all. Bye bye. Signing off. Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Learn. Bye.